What steps should I take if my TV remote isn't changing channels?
Hello, TV lovers. If you're here, you've probably encountered the frustrating situation where your remote just won't switch channels. Don't fret. Today, we'll go through the steps you should take to get your remote working seamlessly again. Let's dive in.
Are the batteries the issue?
Step 1. The most common issue is typically the batteries. Ensure your remote has fresh batteries. If unsure, replace them with new ones. Step 2. Make sure the batteries are inserted in the correct orientation. Check the positive and negative signs. Step 3. Clean the battery contacts inside the remote. Sometimes, residue can accumulate and prevent a proper connection.
Is there an obstruction?
Step 4. Ensure there is no obstruction between the remote and the TV. Items like books, toys, or even furniture can block the signal. Step 5. Try standing closer to the TV. If the remote works only when close, it might have a weakened signal strength.
Is the remote broken?
Step 6. Check for any visible damage. Drops, spills, or general wear and tear can impact functionality. Step 7. Use your smartphone's camera to check if the remote is emitting an infrared signal. Point the remote's front at the camera and press a button. You should see a faint light through the camera if it's working.
Are TV settings the culprit?
Step 8. If you have a smart TV, it may have software updates. Check the TV settings for any updates and install them. Step 9. Reset the TV settings to default. Sometimes, certain settings can prevent the remote from functioning correctly. With these steps, you should be well on your way to flipping channels comfortably from your couch. If the problem persists, it might be time to consult the TV's manual or contact customer support. We hope this guide helps. Enjoy your viewing experience.